Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients so the cook time is smooth. Measure 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons butter. Chop 8 ounces bittersweet chocolate or use 1 cup chocolate chips so melting is fast and even. Keep 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla on the counter for the finish. Use a small saucepan and a heat-proof bowl for a quick double boiler option, or plan for direct stovetop cooking on low heat while stirring. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat and combine 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup sugar, and 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Whisk constantly until the mixture steams and becomes smooth but not boiling. Lower the heat and remove from burner before adding 8 ounces chopped chocolate so the residual heat melts it evenly. Stir in 2 tablespoons butter to create a glossy texture. Return to very low heat briefly if needed. Then remove and whisk in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon salt to balance sweetness and enhance chocolate flavor. To serve, spoon 2 to 4 tablespoons of hot fudge over each ice cream scoop for decadent coating, thicker layers set as they cool. For storage, cool the sauce to room temperature, transfer to an airtight container, and refrigerate up to 10 days or freeze up to 3 months with a date label. Reheat gently. Microwave 15 to 30 seconds, stir, and repeat as needed. Or warm slowly on the stove over low heat while stirring until it reaches a pourable consistency. Add a splash of cream if it seems too thick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.